Hi, I'm Greg Stokes. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. Today's tip is about structured settlements. What are they, and how do you use them, and is it something you want to do when you're talking about settling your case? All right, a structured settlement is just a fancy way of saying, instead of getting one lump sum of cash, like $1.8 million right up front, you're going to get money over your lifetime. Now, why would you do that? Well, basically, when you get this structured settlement over a lifetime, it grows. There's an internal rate of return. Interest builds up on it. And as you pull the money out in a very structured way, in a certain timeline, you don't have to pay taxes on any of it. Now, all personal injury settlements are tax-free. But if you invest it and you make money on your investments, you got to pay taxes on it. If you take it in the form of an annuity, which is a structured settlement, you don't have to pay taxes on any of it. You know, I mentioned a $1.8 million figure. Well, I represented two children, and their father had been killed. And the settlement was very, very substantial. But we really didn't want to put it into probate court and let it grow in a trust fund, and when the kids turn 18, they'd come into a huge amount of money. No telling what it would do to them. So we settled the case, a certain amount of money up front, a certain amount of money paid while they were growing up so they could be educated correctly. We set up college funds for both children, so as they went to college, if they chose to do it, they would receive enough money to pay for their college education, room, board, and living expenses. And then we created a series of payments for the balance over their lifetime. All of this amounted to much more than the initial settlement, and it all grew tax-free. Structured settlements are offered very often at mediation conferences. It's not appropriate for every individual, but in some cases it makes the world of sense. If you have questions about structured settlements, my name's Greg Stokes. Give me a call at 1-800-700-5050. If you like this video and you want to share it with your friends, press the like button on Facebook or YouTube if you're watching on those channels. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.